Hey guys, how we doing? I'm back today to show you a 3D face mask. Okay guys, this is going to be simple and easy, and you're going to make so many. It is so comfortable. You guys can actually breathe. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to make a template first. So I have an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and we're going to cut this down to 10 by 7.5. And then what you want to do is bring your ruler in, and with your ruler in each corner, you want to measure 2 inches. So 2 and 2 in each corner. And then once you have all of your 2 inches, you want to take your ruler and join the lines. Is take your scissors and cut where the line's at. Okay, guys. So this is your template. And then after you do that, you're going to have this. So here goes your pattern. Now you can use Wonder Clips if you want, or you don't have to. So what you want to do is turn your pattern pretty side over. So pretty sides together, I mean. So then you want to make sure that everything lines up. And the next step, what I want you to do is take this to the machine. So what we're going to do, we're going to sew from here, back stitch, go all the way around, and stop right here and back stitch, leaving these 2 sides open, okay, guys? And you do the same to the bottom. Okay, so after I took it to the sewing machine, this is what you see. You sew and back stitch here and go all the way around. And you do the same on the bottom. And what you want to do to make things a little bit easier on the mask, you want to trim the corners. So here we go. And now what I want to do is turn this inside out. Gonna bring my mat over. And this is what you're gonna have, guys. This is such a pretty purple fabric. Now make sure that you got all the corners sticking out. So now you want to take your heat press and heat this and press this out so it's totally flat. Okay, just give me 1 second. It's heating up really quick. I have the Cricut mini heat press, and it takes like 60 seconds to heat up. It should be done in a second. Guys, this mask is amazing. This is the 3D mask that we are making today. Okay, guys, I forgot to show you that at the beginning. So this is what it looks like. And it covers your face so well, so snug. Not really snug. And you get to breathe a little bit better. And then it covers your chin and your nose. I mean, this mask right here, I really like this style. And it's so easy to do. So now we're just going to bring the heat press in. And we're going to try to flatten it out. Okay, next thing you want to do is take this back to your sewer and do a top stitch going all the way around in the same area before you turn the material over. Now, what you want to do is take your mini heat press and iron it all creased down. Okay, so now I end up top stitching the whole entire top. And that'll seal that up. And now what you want to do now is trim all the wires the wires, all the fabric that you don't want. Now, the next step is, what you want to do is bring in your heat press again. And this time, your handy dandy ruler, okay? This is a godsend, let me tell you. Okay, so now what you want to do is line up the top material 2 inches down. So you want to go 2 inches down, and that looks good. And you want to go all the way across, making sure that it's 2 inches. And 2 inches there. And 2 inches there. Okay, so now you want to bring your heat press in. And you want to crease this top part right here, making sure that it lays completely flat. Then you want to bring your other material over, putting it up 2 inches. So 2 inches. Needs to go up just a little bit more, and that looks like 2 inches. And that's 2 inches. And then you want to bring your heat press in and crease the other side. Okay, now if you have a serger, serge the sides, but I don't, so I'm going to do a zigzag stitch, okay? Okay, so now I zigzag stitch the sides, okay? Okay, so after you pressed it and you serge the sides, what you want to do is top stitch this all the way across on the top and on the bottom. So after you take it to your sewing machine and you top stitch straight across over here, so the next thing you want to do is bring your heat press in and fold the edges down to like a 1/2 inch. And you're going to do the same with the other side. And I'm just going to sew close to the edge because these are going to be your ear loops. Since there's no elastic to be found nowhere, I'm taking ponytail holders that I bought from Dollar Tree, and I'm taking that and I'm wrapping it around my finger, and I'm gonna make a knot. So what I end up doing was, and I try to tie this as close to the edge and as tight as possible, and then I snip the metal pieces off because you don't need them. Then I have some painter's tape and a headband. Then what I'm going to do with this, and I'm going to weed it through just like that. Feeding it through the sides. And then I'm just going to run the... Okay, I got one side and I'm going to do the other side. But when you do it, you try to cut as close as to the edge and try to tie it as tight as possible before you go and snip anything off. And the elastic is 2 ponytails, so it's actually really, it won't sit on your ear and you won't feel it as much. And then you just want to snip whatever's extra. And now what you want to do is open this up as wide as you can and fold the 2 edges up together to meet. And pull out this as far as you can. Then you want to make sure that your pieces are joining together because what you're going to do is stitch the side up to join this part right here. So I'm going to bring my heat press back in, and I'm just going to press it down. And you want to make sure that it lines up perfect. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to tack these sides down. Okay. So as you can see, it's definitely taking shape. It's looking good. So now I'm going to take this to the sewing machine, and we're going to stitch in about 1 inch in and just 1 inch down and back stitch it. Okay, guys? Okay, guys. So after you tack the sides down to hold your sides in, as you can see, that's what it looked like. And when you fold it, you can iron it and it should lay out flat. So this is our 3D mask, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy. Thumbs up if you like this video. The instructions of this is very, very simple, guys. It's just actually just sewing a straight line, if you ask me, a couple of straight lines. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, thumbs it up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, guys, so here goes the face mask. And it looks just like this. It's all nicely done, all ironed. And it's pretty awesome. It got the elastic. The elastics, I mean, they go back really far and they barely feel around your ear. So this is what it looks like, guys. And it feels so comfortable, guys. I mean, it's not against your mouth. You don't have to worry about, as you can tell. You see that right there? Well, we started back at work and I have to use a face mask. And I got that because the face mask was so close up to my face. But this one right here that I just made, oh my God, guys. I love it. It's awesome. And you see how far back the elastic could go without it really hurting you? It is so light. You barely feel it. And I mean, it feels so good, guys. So, if you like this video, like I said again, thumbs it up. Let me know what you think about this face mask. I got a couple of other ones coming up. I just end up doing this one. And I like this color. But my first one that I made was this one. And this material I am in love with. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys again. Bye now. Mwah, I love you. You guys stay safe, okay?